Hello everyone, welcome to Dom's World TV, the cooking and math tutorial channel. Stay tuned for the exciting video.
Hello guys, it's me again, Dom Gamad. Here is the problem to be solved. How to find the center and radius of the circle having an equation x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, let's rewrite the equation.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Now, we regroup the same terms and take negative 15 to the right side.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just
This will become positive 15.
as she puts her hand in my
By completing the squares of the terms in parentheses by adding 9 and 1 on both sides of the equation.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just
So bracket x squared plus 6x plus
two hearts
9 bracket plus
running wild.
bracket y squared minus 2y
Never sleep, never stop,
plus 1
as we shout
bracket is equal to 15
from the top.
plus 9 plus 1.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Now let's factorize this x squared plus 6x plus 9.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud.
And we also factor out bracket y squared minus 2y plus 1 bracket.
As the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Then add the 15 plus 9 plus 1 is equal to 25. By this expression, this is the sum of perfect square.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So this will be written as bracket x plus 3 bracket square plus, on the other part, this expression is a difference of perfect square.
The moonlight, summer
This will be written as bracket y minus 1 bracket square
sky. It was the best
equal to 25.
we ever had.
Now, let's equate x plus 3 to 0 and y minus 1 to 0.
And we'll stay on.
Then, simplify. X is equal to negative 3 and y is equal to 1. So, x is the h equal to negative 3 and y is k is equal to 1.
We'll never have regret.
And the r or radius is 25. Now let's plug in the values of h and k in the formula of the equation of center radius form, which is bracket x minus h bracket square plus bracket y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. Then simplify.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be our hearts beat to the city.
Bracket x plus 3 bracket square plus bracket y minus 1 bracket square is equal to 5.
Streets, we began to feel the fire.
We call this equation is in the center radius form.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun.
With h is equal to negative 3,
As she puts her hand in mine,
k is equal to 1,
we wanna
and r is equal to 5.
chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pulls the
Therefore, the center and the radius of the circle is at
stars from the sky, just two hearts running
c bracket hk, the same as c bracket
wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
negative 3,
We're gonna be
1 bracket, and r is equal to 5. This is our final answer.
two hearts running wild.
Okay?
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
Hope you liked, learned and enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more, also like, share and hit the bell to receive the latest and hottest math video. Thanks for watching, bye bye.
It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it